Okay, next we're going to work on the postures 13 through 24. The first video was the 1 through 12. Alright, so let's continue. We're doing these as static holding postures. So after the wave hands like clouds, we do another single whip. From single whip, we go to the high pat the horse. So from the front, it's a chop here. And then my left hand comes out, like I'm patting a horse. Let's hold that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it from the side, just so you see from the side. Same posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. If I do it on the opposite side, I'm going to have my toe touch here. I'm chopping here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After the high pat the horse, we kind of thread the palm here. So from here, I'm going to step forward in my gongbu, and my hand's going to come out like a snake tongue. See? Here. This is another version, high pat horse number 2. Let's hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. After the high pat horse number 2, we begin our kicks. So with the kick, I want to show you from the front. This hand's going to block, and then this hand's going to kick out with the heel. So I'm gonna gather, scoop, bring my knee out, block first, and then kick. This arm's helping me balance. It's like a counterweight, and it's an open form. It's not all the way back, and it's not to the side. It's a little bit to the corner. So I'm just gonna hold my kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try it on the other side. Again, I'm going to lift up the knee, open the hands. I have to block first, and then that kick comes out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After the kick in the form is the strike the opponent's temples or ears. You go at your own level of your ears or temple. So using that front stance, that gongbu, the bow and arrow stance, turn this foot 45 degrees, take a natural step with your right. 2 fists striking with the first 2 knuckles, the index and middle finger, to the opponent's ears or temple. Personally, I like the temple better, but the ear can make someone very unbalanced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try it on the other side. Turn the right foot 45 degrees, step with the left, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. The next one's difficult because it depends on your level of flexibility. So just go at whatever level of flexibility you're comfortable with. There's going to be high, medium, low drop stance. So high would be like this. It's just like a little half squat lunge. Sometimes they call it a what do they call that? I think it's called a I can't think of the name right now. But anyways, you're gonna reach towards your foot here. That's high. Medium is a little bit lower, and then the lowest is all the way down like a squat here. Okay? We'll go medium, but just go at your level of comfort. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. Make the hook hand, reach for your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. That's the snake's creeps down. The next one is using the balance stance with the knee up. And I'm going to use, if my right knee's up, my left hand's up. This hand's like holding a big beach ball. This one's pressing forward, but more of a chop with the side of the hands. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do other side. I'll show it from the side. Left knee up, right hand up. Toes kind of pointed downwards. Right hand, a giant beach ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The next one is called the Fair Maiden Plays the Shuttles. And this will be more towards the diagonal. It looks just like brush knee, but rather than brushing the knee, you're blocking up. So what I'm going to do is turn my left foot 45 degrees, take a natural step in my gongbu, block up with the right, push with the left. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Let's try it the other side. I'm going to turn this foot 45 degrees, take a step forward in my gongbu, left hand block up, right hand push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the Fair Maiden Plays Shuttles. We're getting close to the end now. After the Fair Maiden Plays Shuttles is the needle at the bottom of the C. It's using, again, that empty stance with the toe, but this time you're reaching towards your foot. Like you're going to reach down into the ocean and pick up a sea urchin. The sea urchin is that needle at the bottom of the C. So I want you to toe touch, all the weight's in my right leg, and then think of like you're pulling a lever down, like a pump. Okay, you're just pulling down, but you're going to reach down. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My left hand is like the giant beach ball. So we'll show you from this side. We're going to use the empty stance with the toe. Again, I can lift this up because all my weight's in my left leg. Giant beach ball with the left. Or I'm sorry, giant beach ball with the right. So it looks like this. And then the left, reach towards your foot like you're pulling a lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. After the needle at the C bottom, we open the fan. Open the fan you're already familiar with almost. So if I turn my right foot 45 degrees and take a natural step forward with my left, I have the single whip posture that we did earlier in the previous video. It's the same thing except it's a block up. Now block up and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Let's do it the other side. Turn the foot 45 degrees. Step with the right foot. Push with the right. Block up with the left. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. All right, now we're down to some of the last postures. The punch. It's going to be in the gongbu bow stance. 45-degree turn, take a natural step, cover. We're not blocking, it's not karate. We just cover. We might touch our opponent and then we punch. So my left hand is by my right elbow and my punch is forward here. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Let's do it the other side. I'm going to do it from this angle. Turn this foot 45 degrees, the left foot, natural step with the right, block with the right, punch with the left. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. There's another move after that. It's just like the push in the form. So after the punch, you slip your hand under. This is called a parent close-up. And then you push. It's nearly the same. So from the punch, just let this hand come under, slip back. And hold that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next one's called the carry the tiger back to the mountain. This is when we're closing the form. So from this push, what we're doing is we're going to go into a squat, and I'm going to gather up to a cross hands. Okay? So think of the gathering here. So do like a crossing the hands down here, like you're scooping up, you're picking something up, you're picking the tiger up from the mountain. So hold that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now come up, cross the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then just open the hands and let them come down. You're now finished. Breathe at your down 10 3 times. And hands on your dantian. Breathe 3 times. And finish. Thank you.